Guys, welcome to my channel Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Today I'm going to show you how can you create a video with a simple image file with the help of software called Windows Movie Maker. So let's start the video. So guys, now I'm opening Windows Movie Maker.
Search with Movie Maker app. My Movie Maker window unknown.
Okay, so I'm reducing the speed.
Rate 30. Rate 25.
I hope now you can understand. Now after opening, I need to press tab once.
Click here to browse for videos and photos button. Click here to browse for.
Okay, so click here to browse and photos and videos. So now I have to click here. I'm pressing enter here.
Add video.
Now I need to choose my video file or photo whatever. So for this video I'm choosing the image file.
Items preview level items view. Add video items view list video received items 3 of 4 image audio library 1 of 4 document items view list item select add items view images 6 of 10 items view items images 4 items add videos and photo audiobook part 1 image. So
this is my image. Just go the image and choose the image. Press enter to open it.
My Movie Maker window timeline list Bhishika part 1 image.jpg 5:01.
By the way, I am editing a Bengali audio story. Actually, I have made a Bengali audio story, and with the poster, I want to create a video to upload it to the YouTube. Okay, so I have already taken the photo. Now we need to take the audio file to create the video. How to take the audio file? The shortcut key is Alt H M M. Remember, the shortcut key is Alt H M M. I'm pressing
ribbon tab control. Find new music online group. Add music dialog. Select the file to preview. File name.
So this is the add music dialog. Now I am browsing my music.
Items view list names. 3 simple ways to clean.
Remember, you cannot preview the file.
Items audiobook.
So you have to remember
items view list audiobooks not select.
What music file you want to choose.
Audio stories 2 of 3. Items view items view list all stories not selected 1 per all season 2 item t.wav 22 Babishika part 1.
Yeah, this is my file Babishika part 1. I know the file number is 22, so I'm just pressing enter here.
My Movie Maker window timeline list.
Now I have my photo and I have my audio. How to check? I'm pressing up arrow once.
Babishika part 1 image.jpg 5:01.
.jpg means this is the image file which I have taken, which is my poster of the audio story. Now I'm pressing down arrow once.
22 Babishika part 1 horror audio story published on 18 November 2021. .mp36.
Okay, it's a .mp3 file, which means this is an audio file. Right now you can add more audios, but you cannot control the audios. You can add 1 or 2 audios, but you cannot control. Just all the audios will be merged into one video. Okay, now before doing anything, you have to fit your music with your photo, right? Otherwise the video will be not exported correctly. To do this, you have to use the access key Alt P/F. Press Alt P to go to project tab.
Ribbon tab control project tab selected all.
I'm pressing tab here.
Minimize the ribbon button. Show help button. Get help on the project property page. Audio grouping. Emphasize narration button. Emphasize video button. Make emphasize music button. Make the music no emphasis button. Turn fit the music button. Automatically adjust the duration of photos so the movie and music end at the same time. Alt P/F.
Yeah, Alt P/F. So I'm pressing spacebar here, or I can use the access key Alt P/F. I'm pressing spacebar.
Window timeline list 22 Babishika.
Now I'm playing this audio by pressing spacebar key. By the way, you are not able to understand, those who are not able to understand Bengali, so please don't mind. I'm pressing spacebar to play. Now we know the video has been created. Now I see the video has been created, but we need to export it. To export, you have to go to File menu first, Alt plus F,
New project
then
Alt
M.
FN. Recommended setting grouping. Recommended for this project. Check display size 1920x 1080 pixels. Aspect ratio. Widescreen bitrate 24.13 megabytes.
Okay, so here you have to choose the aspect ratio.
Recent settings grouping. YouTube. Check display size 1920x
I'm
1080
pressing
pixels.
down arrow.
Aspect.
Okay.
Facebook. Check display size 1280x 720 pixels. Aspect ratio. Widescreen bitrate 2. Feature phone. Small.
Feature
check
phone.
display size 426x 240 pixels. Aspect ratio. Wide.
Now, if you want to make the video for YouTube, you have to choose YouTube. If you want to make the video for Facebook or featured phone, you have to choose the option from there. Now, to make the
Save.
video for YouTube, you have the
File.
shortcut key
Timeline.
Alt plus F M followed by U. Alt F M U. I'm pressing.
New recent settings grouping. YouTube. Check this pane. Save movie dialog. File name.
Alt F M U, then press enter. Now I need to enter the file name. I'm enter.
So. Part.
Now I'm choosing my directory.
Items tree view. Software. Items view list. Birthday celebrate. Items view. Items view. Calpainer jacket. Catholic jewel. Items view list. 12. A solo.
I'm pressing Alt S to save.
Cancel button.
Now the movie or the video is exporting. Okay. So I'm pressing Insert plus B. Listen carefully.
Movie maker. Movie maker window. Cancel button. Progress context saving movie. Progress details step 1 of 1. 2% complete.
Yeah. 2% complete. So after the completion of this movie, I can watch the I can directly go to the folder, or I can directly play the video which I have just exported. I'll show you, don't worry. It is now exporting. It is a 30 minutes audio story, so it takes quite time. After this video means after making this video, I will make another specific video to show how to edit videos, how to add background music, how to edit videos, how to cut the unwanted portion from your video, etc., etc. with Windows Movie Maker. I will definitely make as early as possible. So in the meantime, you can subscribe our channel. You can join our Telegram channel also. The link is given in the description below. And one more thing, we have one webinar on how to use Louis application, so don't forget to watch this wonderful webinar. And okay, so you can also follow us on Facebook. Our Facebook page link is in the description below. And if you have any queries and any suggestion and you want to contact us personally, you can email us at accessiblecomputing@yahoo.com, which is also given in the description below. Now you can visit our website also, accessiblecomputing.blogspot.com. So all the promotions have gone. Now let's see what are the progress. I'm pressing Insert plus B.
Movie maker window. Cancel button. Progress context saving movie. Progress details step 1 of 1. 31% complete.
31% complete. So I will come back after the completion of this video.
My play button and play Alt plus P.
Yeah, when it's completed, you will get the Windows sound. Also, NVDA says play button Alt plus P. Now, if you press Alt plus P, now I am pressing.
Movies and TV. Play.
The video is playing with my default media player, right? I'm closing.
Play button. My movie 22.
Okay, so now I'm pressing tab once.
Change thumbnail size button. Time zoom preview scrub play button play next frame button timeline list change the time zoom time scale.
Okay, so before playing, if you want, you can just press tab once. You will get the show folder options, where you can directly reach the source folder where the video is exported, right? So this is for today. In the next video of Windows Movie Maker, we will see what are the other options there to edit our videos. This is the editing videos with a single photo and single audio. So if you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to give your important opinion into the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.